Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to change a sponsor on Cash App. To start, your current sponsor needs to remove themselves from your account. They can do this by following this step on their Cash App account. First, open the Cash App on their phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Support. From there, tap on something else. Scroll down to find Cash Card. Tap Contact Support at the bottom. Select Not About a Transaction and then choose the chat option Connect with Customer Support. A sponsor can explain the situation by saying something to get a reason valid, and the Cash App representative should assist in removing the sponsor. After that's done, you can add a new sponsor on your teen account. Tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the home screen. Then scroll down to Family Accounts. Next, select I'm a Teen and tap Request Approval. Enter your new sponsor's cash tag. Select their profile when it appears and hit Next in the top right corner. After sending the request, your new sponsor will need to accept it for the process to be completed. And that's how you can change a sponsor on Cash App. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.